Dan comes in to return his overdue textbooks and make a payment towards his charges. You may notice, depending on your preferences, that after book dropping an overdue textbook, a payment window will appear. Under the payment options, select up to 3 payment methods and the amount of the payment. This is also where you can forgive the remaining balance and select to either print a receipt or send one via email. If the patron isn't in front of you, just process without payment information or click Cancel to handle it later. What do you do if you want to make a payment or forgive an older charge? First, make your patron current and go to the Charges tab. This is where you can issue charges, make payments, forgive charges, and print a list of the current patron's charges. From here, select the charge you're forgiving or making a payment towards. Select multiple charges using your system shortcut. Now, either click Make Payment or Forgive Charge. Follow the same steps as before, and you're all done. You might find yourself needing to refund a payment or issue a credit. Both of these have very similar processes and are done from the Payments sub-tab under Charges. First, let's talk about refunds. Use the FF command to quickly open the Payments tab. Select the payment you're refunding and click Refund. Now, enter the amount that you're refunding as either cash or credit and add a refund note. You can select to print or email a receipt if one is needed. Click Process to complete the refund. Credits can be used towards future payments. To issue a credit, simply click Add Credit and enter the method and amount. Select a receipt type and click Process.